Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll show you how to remove the rust and protect and repaint your brakes. First of all, get a jack under your car and a safe jacking point. Remove the wheel. As you can see, this brake caliper looks absolutely terrible, absolutely covered in rust and grime. So let's show you how to get rid of this and make it look as good as new. So you will need a drill with a gold wire end. The best way to do this is to work from top to bottom so you can see where you've been and work your way down. You will know when this is done because you will come to a nice shiny bare metal. Okay, I'll speed this up and put it in a time lapse so we can get all this rust off really quick. As you can see, we're starting to get a very nice finish already. So just keep working away on all the rusty bits that you want to remove. I wish I could remove it in real life in the speed that the time lapse is showing. I will just state that you need to be wearing a mask and eye goggles while doing this, as obviously the rust is not good for you and you don't want to get in your eyes. This is by no means a show car finish. This is just for like a DIY person to do over a weekend or something like that, just to tidy up their car. If I was looking to do an absolute pristine job, I would remove the brakes, sandblast them and go from there. Okay, so we've made lots of progress in removing lots and lots of rust. It's looking much better now. We have plenty of bare metal, so we need to protect that now. So the next thing to do is to blow everything down and get it as clean as possible. Now mask off all the areas where you don't want to get primer and get ready to prime. Mask off all your rubbers. You don't want to get paint on them. You then need to use a zinc primer. This is what I used this time. Make sure to shake the can really well before using. Whoops, nearly forgot to cover up the disc. Okay, let's spray on some primer. I'm going to try and get a nice smooth even coat. Probably need 2 to 3 coats. With this being a zinc primer, this will stop any more rust from forming. You shouldn't get rusty brakes at all for many more years. As you can see, I've done exactly the same on the back. This will work with any brakes. Right, let's get some silver on and make them shine. You will need probably 3 to 4 coats of this with 15 to 20 minutes in between drying times. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps someone out. Please like and subscribe for the channel.